Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're going to talk about the best flow control beer faucet you can get for your kegerator setup, the Imaictuu new double tap adjustable flow control beer tap. If you're serious about your beer pouring experience, this is the upgrade you didn't know you needed. So, what makes this beer tap stand out? First and foremost, the adjustable flow control feature. It gives you full control over the outflow rate of your beer, which means you can pour your favorite brew exactly the way you want. Whether you prefer a slow, steady pour to keep the carbonation intact or a fast flow when you're in a hurry, this tap lets you adjust it with precision. This level of control ensures that each pour tastes as good as the last, preserving the flavor and fizziness of your beer, kombucha, soda, or any other carbonated drink you might be serving. The build quality is another major highlight. This beer faucet is made with 304 stainless steel, which means it's durable, resistant to corrosion, and built to last. The set includes everything you need for easy installation: the stainless steel beer tower, 2 flow control faucets, a 5-foot hose, and a variety of clamps, screws, and gaskets to ensure a secure fit. The best part? The faucet comes pre-assembled with the beer line and beer shank, so you don't have to spend hours putting it together. It's practically ready to go out of the box. Now, let's talk about safety and convenience. The self-closing faucet design not only prevents beer from spilling but also ensures that the handle automatically returns to its original position after each use. This feature minimizes any accidental contact and prevents leaks, keeping your setup clean and dry. The flow control function also reduces waste, so you're not overpouring or spilling beer, which is always a good thing. Installation is a breeze. You don't need to be a DIY expert to get this tap up and running. You can easily install it on your kegerator or mount it on your countertop, and with the included parts, you'll have everything you need for a smooth setup. The compatibility of this beer tap is top-notch, fitting most kegerator systems without any issues. On top of all that, this flow control beer faucet is a stylish addition to your home bar or any other space where you enjoy a good drink. Its sleek, modern design and stainless steel finish bring a touch of elegance, making it not only functional but also a conversation piece. Whether you're hosting a party or just enjoying a quiet drink at home, this tap is sure to enhance the experience. So, if you're looking for a way to elevate your home brewing or kegerator setup, the Imaictuu Double Tap Adjustable Flow Control Beer Tap is a fantastic choice. With its precise flow control, durable materials, self-closing faucet, and easy installation, it's designed to provide a smooth, hassle-free beer pouring experience every time. Don't settle for less. Upgrade your tap today and enjoy your favorite beverages in style. Thanks for watching this review from Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews like this one. See you next time.